Module Overview. Color is one of the most powerful and persuasive elements in the visual language of design. In Module 3, you will explore the science, psychology, symbolism, and practical application of color in design across various media, industries, and cultures. Far from being a purely decorative tool, color is a visual code that communicates meaning, evokes emotion, establishes hierarchy, and influences human behavior. This module provides an in-depth study of color theory, including the color wheel, color harmonies, contrast and saturation, temperature, and cultural perception. It also covers additive and subtractive color models, color symbolism across global cultures, accessibility in color usage, e.g. color blindness considerations, and digital versus print application, RGB versus CMYK. You are introduced to historical color systems, such as Munsell and Pantone, and guided in how to use color effectively in branding, user interface design, advertising, fashion, interior design, and art. By the end of this module, you will not only understand what color is and how it works, but also how to make informed, intentional, and strategic color decisions as designers and visual communicators. The nature of color. What is color? Light and pigment spectrum of visible light. Human perception of wavelengths. Hue, saturation, value, HSV. Model, tints, shades, and tones. Tint equals hue plus white shade equals hue plus black tone equals hue plus gray. The color wheel. Primary colors, red, yellow, blue. Foundation of all other hues. Secondary colors, green, orange, violet, created by mixing primaries. Tertiary colors, red, orange, yellow, green, etc. Further blending, understanding, warm versus cool colors. Emotional impact, warm equals active, emotional. Cool equals calm, passive. 3 color harmonies and relationships. Monochromatic, one hue, different tints, shades, tones, minimalist, unified. Analogous, neighboring hues, natural, serene. Complementary, opposites on the wheel, high contrast, tension. Split, complementary. Base, +2 adjacent to complement, balance, tension. Triadic, 3 evenly spaced hues, vibrant, balanced. Tetradic, double complementary, 2 complementary pairs, rich, complex. The psychology and symbolism of color. Emotional resonance of colors. General Western views. Red, passion, danger, love, urgency. Blue, trust, calm, professionalism. Green, growth, health, nature. Yellow, joy, energy, warning. Purple, royalty, mystery, creativity. Black, elegance, power, mourning. White, purity, simplicity, emptiness. Cultural color meanings. White, Western equals purity, Asian equals mourning. Red, China equals luck, love. West equals danger or romance. Black, Western equals sophistication or death. Africa equals maturity or masculinity. 5 color models. RGB versus CMYK. RGB, red, green, blue, used for digital displays. Additive model colors created by light. More vibrant and luminous. CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, black. Used for printing. Subtractive model colors created by ink mixing. Best for paper-based media. Why colors look different on screen versus in print. Color calibration and proofing. 6 color in branding and marketing. Building brand identity with color psychology. Color consistency across media, case studies. Coca-Cola, red. Facebook, blue. McDonald's, yellow/red. Color as a strategic communication tool. Legal protection of color schemes, e.g. Tiffany blue. 7 color accessibility and inclusivity. Color blindness considerations. Red-green most common. High contrast for legibility. Avoiding reliance on color alone for meaning. Web accessibility guidelines, WCAG, and tools. Color Oracle, contrast checker. 8 applied color strategy. Color palette development. mood boards and color swatches, thematic storytelling with color, adapting color schemes for culture, gender, age, environment. Working with Pantone color system.